Brian, I know you've helped Raquel over at PressComp quite a bit, getting the formerly known as Pressnomics back in PressConf, that annual, I call it, to people that don't know WordPress, I call it a trade show, but it's really just a connection point for people that do business in WordPress. And that's
Yeah.
PressConf. That's separate from LoopConf. But I feel the same about LoopConf, which is why I'm so glad we're sponsoring as hosting.com. I'm so glad that this is happening 10 years in because we need an independent conference for the business owners of WordPress and an independent conference for the developers of WordPress, and that's LoopConf. And so my thing is always to say you have to support it, sponsor it. That's why we pushed here at hosting.com to sponsor LoopConf and attend and buy tickets because these are the annual things you get to get together with your peers, talk shop, ask the big looming questions you might not want to ask publicly, but then just get feedback and see where people are. And I think these two, which are separate events, LoopConf and PressConf, have to happen. And we need to show up and support those because we need those. If you're serious about WordPress development, that's LoopConf. If you're serious about your WordPress based business, that's PressConf. But what are your thoughts?
I couldn't agree more. I think we need more independently driven events so that we don't end up with just like a monoculture experience. I love WordCamps. I love the variety of WordCamps, and the WordCamps that happen all around the world are vastly different from each other. It's a paradox, right? Like they need to appeal to everyone who works with
Yep.
WordPress, which means that they can't go deep on any particular thing, right? You can't go deep on the business of WordPress at WordCamp because WordCamp appeals to a much broader audience. You can't go deep on the technical side of things because you have to leave room for all of the other talks that need to exist at a WordCamp. And so we need WordCamps, and we also need independently run events that are hyper focused on specific topics so that we can have a more rich experience, so that we can hear from a broader collection of voices. Like LoopConf and PressConf both bring in people from outside of the traditional WordPress community so that we can hear some of these experiences of the broader web and internalize what's happening out there. So yeah, I agree. You hit the nail on the head. We need a variety of events to keep us sharp and well-rounded.
If you're a WordPress agency, WordPress developer, put these on your calendar. Make sure you're signed up for when the next ones happen and rush to buy tickets to support people like Brian doing LoopConf because we need those things.